So yesterday we did an unboxing video for these right here, the Wild Boar grips. Today we're going to try to get them installed. So luckily with just a little bit of searching, found a 13mm. See if this is actually going to reach, and it doesn't, so we're going to have to get an extension for this. And definitely be something if the 13mm didn't fit. There's a little wire in the way. You gotta be careful not hit the glass here. It sounds like I almost did that. Okay, there's one out. So I believe it attaches here and then up here. So I've got to take the next one out. So the flathead screwdriver that I said I needed, I did it. It doesn't require to take out this bolt, just these two up here. Okay.
It's not quite as easy to break loose.
So we got that one out. Yes, and if you see this, I need an oil change. So, all right. So I don't know if there's any difference in these as far as right versus left. Let's look at them and see if we can tell. So they do face different directions. And once again, there are no instructions, so we're gonna just play around with it and see how it works out. So this one has the piece facing outward, and we'll just trial and error. And there are two different lengths of screws that come with it, so these two are the same size, so we'll just need one of each. So if you look at it, this does not work. So we can try the long side here and just get it to start maybe, and then see if the and it didn't even really start, honestly. That does not line up, so this is the passenger one. So yes, it does matter which side it goes on, unless I just completely screwed that up. I was wrong on that one, so we'll try it again. Ooh, I kind of smashed my Oakleys here, if you can see them. And we'll try the next one. And the reason there's little indentions, so it countersinks the bolt, and they're not. all that obvious in there. So okay, so this one. Not hard, but not as easy as I would have thought. But it also doesn't help. This is the first time that I'm shooting a video with a GoPro on my head. So that definitely makes it a little more challenging. Okay, so that one's somewhat started. We'll remove this, kind of. Get it in here. Up in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully you guys are able to see this somewhat. So that's on, kind of. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take the bolt and see if we can find an Allen wrench to fit it. There we go. There's one that will work. And find a, yeah. So you want to tighten it, but I don't think you really want to over tighten it. And once again, man, you want to be careful on the windshield. I've hit it twice now. I'm okay hitting it with my finger. I'm not too worried about my finger doing any damage, but I am worried about this metal wrench doing damage. So as I'm sure with most YouTubers or anyone putting these things in, it's a there's a little learning curve, and I don't know what I'm doing. So just kind of have to play with long extension, the short extension. So that's pretty much tight. Like I said, I don't want to over tighten it because I don't want to take a chance of breaking anything. And I can still see a gap up here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but. And there's still a gap even after it's pretty well tight, but it feels sturdy, so it's on there. I like that. Let's see, from a driver's perspective, I don't really think it's gonna get in the way any. Yeah, I think that's it. So you do the reverse, or I guess the opposite to the other side, and get that one installed. We'll do that, and then test it out, I guess. This one was so easy to get in. I mean, it was ridiculously easy. They're really sturdy. This one was a beast. I don't know if you can even see it because it's black, but there's another one right here. So this one was a beast. I couldn't get the bolts lined up right. It fell, one of the bolts fell down here. The one I unscrewed this one here, it just dropped in. So I think eventually I'll have to get it out. Oh, look at that 6.7 design.